Hi, this is Judge Harry Bowden with Child Support Court Vodcast. Make sure you go to childsupportcourttv.com. Check out the new videos, our sponsors, and get to Ask Judge Harry, where you can call in every Tuesday from 9:30 to 11 and ask Judge Harry. Thank you for being a loyal viewer of Child Support Court, the Vodcast, with Judge Harry Bowden.
GetMyBabyMoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Hi, welcome back to Child Support Court. Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. You got to understand the development of a child. You got to understand that child is not a part-time responsibility. You cannot leave the child in the house by themselves while you run to the store real quick to grab something and they'll be okay in the crib. No. That ain't the right thing to do. Do I get Similac or Mimolac? Now, I don't know if Mimolac is a real baby food, but I know Similac is. And by the way, for those of you who didn't know, I have 9 children. Yes, 9. 6 biological, 3 blended, but they're all mine because I fed them. And guess what? It takes a whole lot to feed them. And I didn't need nobody to tell me how much it costs because I did it. We'll talk about it in a minute when we come back from our sponsors.
Revenue collections piling up? Lacking the experienced manpower needed to complete jobs safely? Tired of experiencing risks due to low quality and inexperienced applicants? We can help end this cycle. The Success Center Recruitment and Consulting will benefit your company. We build real and transparent relationships between recruiter and hiring manager. Book a call today and begin the process of finding the right person to join your team.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back with you on a serious note today about safety, about the emotional drain and trauma that the issue of having a child brings, but the issue of having to pay just the money, the focus on the money brings. And the reality is, ladies and gentlemen, you don't know this other person until time goes by. And as you get to know them, there's signs that you need to be aware of. Signs which indicate that you need to cover your child and perhaps yourself. And it doesn't matter whether you're the male or the female. You have to observe the reality of mental illness, the reality that emotions make people do what you would never imagine. Caller, what's your question?
My question is, my baby daddy holds me a couple of years of child support, and I don't know where he is. How can I deal with that?
I'm glad you asked that question. Do you have his vitals, i.e. social security number? Do you have the last place he was living? Do you have any of that information?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Well, what you want to do, ma'am, is you want to go, and what's your name, ma'am?
Charlene.
Okay, Miss Charlene, what you want to do is you want to go down to the Department of Family and Children Services, the Child Support Services Department, and you want to start an application, And in that application, you want to put what information you do have, but let them know you're not sure where he is now. The system has a location process where they will find him because he's not going off the grid. Okay. And you say that you don't believe that you're capable of having a child?
Well, I mean, I ain't had none in all this time now. I mean, I've been married 4 times. 4 times.
Okay.
Babies out of all them times. Look at just the law of averages, Judge Harris. Just the law of averages. I feel like I'm getting railroaded here, man. I don't know. I really don't know what to do, man.
Okay, Brian. Let me help you out, sir. First of all, there is something that you can do to establish whether or not you are the father. Okay, and this is not a Murray moment, but there's something that you can do. First of all, I want to say that your situation is not uncommon. There are a lot of men who have relationships with women, and they are unsure as to whether or not the child is theirs. Now, if she suggests and says that she wants to put you on child support, listen to me real good, Ryan. The first thing that I would advise you to do is for you to file for child support. Listen to what I'm saying now. Because you can go through the process in a proactive way, and in doing so, you would require her to take a DNA test.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's the key. Once that DNA test is taken, paternity can be established. Don't you miss an episode of Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. We'll see you next time.